Hello friends, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new mining website for all of you. You can see here you can mine only Dogecoin and Shiba Inu on this website. The mining speed of Shiba Inu is much greater than as your wish. Dogecoin mining speed is also much more than as you want. I am going to tell you about everything in detail about this platform. Now I am going to show you how you can register on this website without any hesitation. You can see cloud free mining and CPU GPU mining over here. Now I am going to show you how you can register on this website without wasting any time. Click on register. You just need to put your username and email, and you have to put double password and fill up this captcha and click on registers. Now I am going to log in on this website. Now I am logging on this website. When you log in on this website, your default mining will start in the form of Shiba Inu. If you want to change your mining, you don't want to mine Shiba Inu, you want to mine Dogecoin, then you have to click on this point and you have to stop this one. Then you can see that you are already trying to see. And if you want to mine Shiba Inu, then you have to click on this one. Then your Shiba Inu will start automatically. You can see that my Shiba Inu mining will start here. Now I am going to show you two different videos title through which you can watch deeply how you can start mining. You have to click on tutorial. You got here two videos, how to mine Shiba Inu and Dogecoin with CPU and GPU, and you can see here how to win Shiba Inu with YouTube video. Now I am going to show you how you can take withdraw deposit on this website and how you can start earning by using YouTube. Now I am going to show you how you can deposit on this website or take your withdraw. Click on deposit or withdraw. You can see here we have many more options. Then we only have two coin, Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. If you want to take withdraw Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, you have to click on withdraw. You can see here the minimum amount you want to take withdraw on this website is 2 lakhs Shiba Inu. Then your paying fees was 30,000 in the form of Shiba Inu. If you want to take withdraw in Dogecoin, you have to click on withdraw. Then you can see here you can take 20 Dogecoin and 1 Dogecoin will use in the form of network using. Now I am going to show you an affiliate system through which you can sign up on this website. You can get your affiliate link and place it more platform. Then you can see that other people will use your link and join this website. You will get more views. Here you can see that you got your referral link at here. You have to spread this link as much as you can. If you can see here, earn more Shiba Inu by referring some friends using this referral, 5% per referral and 150 Shiba Inu for each registration. If you have 5 referral, then you will get 800 Shiba Inu in freely. Now I am going to show you how you can earn with YouTube. You have to click on earn with YouTube and then you can see here you have to make video on this website at least 2 minutes. For each view you will get 30 Shiba Inu as a reward. If you want to how you can add your URL, you have to click on add video. Then here you have to put your URL. then you will get 30 Shiba Inu on each view. You have to put this, you get ID, cloud miner ID link. You have to deposit, copy this one here from and deposit, placed it in description. You will get paused in this video. If you don't know how to make video, then you can see the tutorial of Shiba Inu of this website here. You will confirmly know how to mine video, how to make video on this website. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comment section. Friends, I see my friends who take their withdrawal on this website, so that I will make this video. You will get withdraw on this website without wasting any time.